So this topic is going to be how to submit your timesheet and fill it out properly. So first of all, let's just start. We're in Vision, and you're going to go under the tabs. You're going to see time and expense. You're going to click on timesheet. This will open a new timesheet. So you're going to see a lot of different things. Here's the menu bar and where you can insert your projects. So first of all, let's start with this. We're going to search a project. You can search by text, project number, if you don't know your number offhand. So here, I'm just going to search for a project, and I'm going to pick a random one, but you should know your project number, and if not, you can always ask your division leader. So it automatically fills in some of the information, and then I'm going to look at my phase name that's required because it's in yellow. And you'll see a drop down if you click search. This is going to be a lot of different things that are on this specific project. Your labor code, you will also know this because it depends on your title. I'm just going to go with clerical for now, but obviously there's a lot of different ones that you can choose from. So now I'm just going to insert my time from here. Now that everything else is completed, I'm just going to put 8. So I worked all day on that job. And then you can fill out your comment in either one of those boxes here. You're going to have a comment on each day or on every hour that you put. You can search by sort, insert, copy, reverse, delete. You can do a lot of things with all of the projects that you choose. Now we're going to add another project. So let's just say I did some general overhead for clerical work. Now we're going to go a little bit less project specific. We're going to go to corporate office. So it's going to divide your time evenly between all of the divisions. We're going to do 49 again, which is just clerical. And I'm going to put another 8. So I worked 8 hours doing clerical work for the corporate office. I'm going to have to put my comment, which I'm just going to put clerical data entry and go with that. And as you can see, I put it on the wrong day, which is why it's gray. So really, let's just say I meant to put it on Wednesday. So I could change my time to 8 for Wednesday, and I'm going to remove Tuesday. So see how the 8 is now gray? That means you did it correctly. I'm going to work on the same project again, but I'm not going to work for the corporate office. So I'm going to work for the Baton Rouge office, which is 01. But from there, I'm going to have to put a certain division because I'm not working for corporate anymore. So I'm just going to pick demolition. And let's see, once again, I can do a number of different jobs underneath that, or titles, depending on what I'm doing. So to break that down a little bit, you can do the offices. These are your office numbers. And then from there, these are your division numbers. PTO and holiday are a little bit different. You can see PTO is job number 2. Holiday is job number 4. So let's just go try PTO and see what that's going to look like. So I'm going to put the number 2 because PTO is job number 2. So I'm going to insert just a 2 right there, and that's PTO. And you're going to fill these out as normal. So if you are working in New Orleans, you're still going to put that that office, and then you're in consulting, you're still going to put that, but you're just going to put your time to PTO job number. And then your comment, which is, let's just say you're off for PTO. And then you can save. Okay, now I have an error because I did not complete all of the comments that are required. You have to have a comment for every hour that you have. So let's just say this is a demolition meeting. And then this is just pond closure activities, being that it's for Dow. Now, I can save, and I'll press submit. Are you sure you want to submit this timesheet? You'll click yes if you're sure, and then you're going to be prompted to enter your password. So let's click yes, and now it's going to say enter your password, which you would do, press OK, and then your timesheet would be submitted. And that's pretty much it for submitting your timesheet.